Hello, my name is Christophe from Almax EasyLab. Our company is specialized in high-pressure diamond anvil cells, related instruments and accessories for the high-pressure research community. We also offer a very extensive range of diamond anvils, diamond windows for your specialized applications. In this short video, I would like to present you our Optiprex Ruby Lux. You can also find more technical information on our website or by contacting us via email. Using a diamond anvil cell to generate high pressure is not sufficient, as one also needs to think about how we're going to measure the pressure. Traditionally, it is achieved by tracking the fluorescence of a small piece of ruby as a pressure marker inside the diamond anvil cell. The Ruby Lux enables you to carry out this measurement in an all-contained solution in your laboratory. The model presented today is a Ruby Lux with a manual adjustment setup option, as well as a V-mount, which can accommodate most of our diamond anvil cells, as well as other diamond anvil cells. The Ruby Lux comes in two main variants: an option fitted with a green laser at 532 nanometer, and an option fitted with a blue laser at 450 nanometer. The difference is mainly about the pressure range you want to measure. For pressures above 50 GPa, you're going to select the blue laser option, whereas for pressure below 50 GPa, you're going to select the green version. Both versions deliver output power of 50 milliwatt. The main components of the systems are the Ruby Lux itself, which includes some internal optics, a laser, and a CCD camera. The second element is the Ruby Lux controller, which contains the laser power supply and the spectrometer for the detection of the ruby fluorescence. The manual adjustment setup option provides a very stable breadboard to be able to position the Ruby Lux in a more permanent and convenient position in your laboratory. On this platform is bolted a high-precision XYZ stage on which is positioned the universal V-mount. This is where the diamond anvil cell is going to be fitted. On the front of the breadboard is a small controlling box which gives you the possibility to switch on a backlighting, which we can see here, which is going to illuminate the back of the diamond anvil cell and your sample space. There is also a knob here which enables you to dim this light to optimize this illumination. On the front of the controller, one can find two buttons which are easily identified by their color. The bottom one is related to the laser and is going to be green or blue depending on the variants of the Ruby Lux you have. The white one on the top is to switch on the LED inside the Ruby Lux, which is then going to shine and illuminate the front of your diamond anvil cell. All cables and optical fiber between the Ruby Lux and its controller are supplied and are very easy to connect. Very importantly, the controller can be connected via USB connection to a PC to run our proprietary HPM or High Pressure Manager software. The Optiprex High Pressure Manager software is a LabVIEW-based program enabling the end user to communicate and control simultaneously our IgM controller for gas membrane diamond anvil cells and our Optiprex PLSs and Ruby Luxes. HPM is presented in more details in another video also available on our YouTube channel. The software offers three main panels which will be activated or deactivated depending on which USB devices is recognized by the software and the PC. In this case, we only have the Ruby Lux connected, which is activated the first panel here for the ruby fluorescence. The second panel, which is capturing the image by the CCD camera, is also activated. And the third panel for the gas controller is deactivated as this device is not connected. Finally, it is important to note that the software gives you the possibility of saving all the data at any point in time in files which are going to help you to see your spectrum, an image of your sample, and any experimental details for this specific point in time. If you want more information, be it technical or commercial, regarding this Ruby Lux its option, and importantly, its suitability for your experiments, do not hesitate to contact us, and our technical team will be happy to help and guide you. Thank you for watching this video.